All right, guys. So we're gonna unlock my first order off SHEIN that I got this week. I've been trying to buy from them for a while. I just, for some reason, I just never got to it. But now, since I've been posting some videos on fashion, on some outfits lately, I figured why not post and give a review of these three pieces I ordered to see maybe if somebody else wants to buy them, or if somebody else wants to buy off Shane, they probably want to see if the quality is good or not. So I went ahead and purchased this outdoor. It's probably like a fishing vest for summer, but it's in the streetwear section on the on Shine. I mean, we're not gonna use it for that. We're just gonna use it for just regular out like as a regular outfit because I definitely don't know how to fish. But yeah, it caught my attention when I saw it, and I'm like, okay, I've seen people wear stuff like this before. I just haven't had a chance to find it anywhere in the store. And then when I saw it on Shane, I'm like, you know what? Let me just try it out. It was only well, I got it for 18, and honestly, the quality is really good. The quality is good. It feels well made. It has so many pockets. Um, so I was happy with that one. And I got the black version of it, which I also saw and figured, you know what, let me get a black and an orange one because, like I said, I've been wanting to get something like this for a while. Um, it's just tricky to match sometimes because I'm like, how am I gonna wear this? I don't know. But let's see today. I'm gonna show you some outfits today at the end of the video of how I wear it and what way I would, just stylize it. And maybe you fuck with it or maybe you don't, but you can wear however you want. So this one is really nice too. It says thinking about you on the side. So it's just I was really, really happy with the quality and all the pockets it has, even though I'm not gonna really use all those pockets. But this one is both of them. I ordered them a size large. I usually am a medium, but I uh I know that over there that the sizes in Asia they run super small. So if you order this, like I said, I am a medium. Sometimes I am a large, but order a size up. And these pants right here, these nylon cargo pants are also they were $12, and I've been wanting some pants like this in this color for a minute. But like I said, it's been hard to get in store. And then sometimes getting stuff online, you're kind of like, okay, I don't know if the size is gonna fit, this and that. But I got these for $12, so I'm like, whatever. It's not a big uh L if they don't end up fitting me. But the quality on these is fucking amazing. I swear I've seen pants like this at Urban Outfitters for like 80, $90, and you're getting like the same exact quality. Trust me. I've seen them like pants like these at those type of stores for like 80 bucks more than what I got them for. So I was happy with these, and I was gonna try them on right away to show you guys how they fit. These were a large. I usually wear I usually wear 32, 32 or medium pants. But like I said, since the pants in Asia run smaller, and you know, I had to get a bigger size so they could look a little bit baggy on me. As you see, I have chicken legs, so I don't like them. I can't really wear skinnies, so I just had to wear pants a little bit, like a little bit loose, like these. These kind of have that Y2K baggy style on them, so I fuck with them heavy. I These pants, I was immediately happy when I put them on, and I was just happy how they look. I threw on some Air Forces to see how they would look. How they would look, and I was happy so far. The Air Forces look good with them. Here, I had to switch the angle so I could, show the full outfit. I put on a black watch to see how this fit would come together. You could wear like this if you want, but honestly, I feel like I'm going to the gym with this fit. If I have it like this with the white shirt, so I switched the white shirt for maybe for a black shirt. I have one like this with a Dennis Rodman face. Kind of looks like a vintage. Um, but the one I have on is not vintage. It's a PacSun shirt. Go on the chain, and I was fucking with it. I kind of like how it's coming together. Um, Now it doesn't look like I'm going to the gym. It looks a little bit more casual, outgoing. You know what I mean? So it's not bad. It's not bad at all. But I'm gonna switch it for another style shirt. I'm gonna switch it for a shirt a little bit more basic, just with one word on it, like that one that says loyalty. So it doesn't have too much graphics, so it doesn't look like you're doing too much. And now with a loyalty shirt and the chain, it just looks clean now. It looks super clean now. And we're gonna switch the silver watch for no, we're gonna switch the black watch for a silver watch, and it just looks clean. It looks really clean. I would use this to go out any day of the week, and no, I like how it came together. And the pants literally feel super high quality, and I only got them for $12, so uh, I couldn't be more happier. Now I'm gonna try on the orange vest. Um, I'm not gonna use it with those pants, obviously, but I'm probably gonna use it with a shirt like the one I have on. And let's see how you put this together. Now we're gonna switch the pants for these black cargo pants that I have. Those black cargo pants that I got, I literally got them for like $12 from the Chinese market here in Miami. And we're gonna throw on a silver watch because we're already wearing too much black. And we're gonna go for the Jordan 6s, the black infrareds. I think they're gonna match well with those. And since they're high tops, they're gonna look really good with the orange vest. And honestly, I fuck with it a lot. I fuck with this fit a lot. Um, you kind of have to see how you would wear it, but you don't want to wear orange and orange, like too much orange. You want to wear something that will contrast it well. And I think the Jordan 6s that I have on right now, they fit perfectly with those. So I don't know. I'm very happy with that. I think this is one of my favorite fits so far, and it's something that I'm probably gonna wear very soon. So yeah, happy with that. Now we're gonna try on the black one. The black one is a little tricky because I'm like, okay, how can I wear it? Should I wear all black on black? Let's see. All black on black. It doesn't look bad, but I kind of look like I'm part of the SWAT team, some shit like that. So I don't know. I'm not really. I'm not feeling it too much, but I'm gonna try it with maybe a yellow shirt and see if the yellow makes it pop a little bit underneath. I don't know. Right there, it doesn't look bad, but I don't know if I feel like I could try it try it on with something else and see what else I could find in my closet. So I'm gonna try it with the green cargo pants and with a green shirt, maybe to contrast it a little bit, but I'm not feeling it either. I look like I work in a fucking zoo or some shit. Now I'm gonna try it with these Jordans that have a little bit of brownish yellowish on them, and with that shirt and with a black shirt, and now it's looking way better. Now we got something going here. So now, yeah, like I said, I guess this would be the official fit for it. Let me know how you would wear it. Let me know if you want me to make more videos and order more clothes off Shine and Shane, Shine, however you want to pronounce it. And let me know what you think. I don't know. This is how I usually wear clothes, a little bit loose, not too tight. Since I am skinny, this is how I rock clothes. But yeah, let me know what you think. And I'm going to link down below everything I bought. That way, if you want to go ahead and purchase it. Peace out, people.